Well, hey there, everybody. I was going to show you a couple demonstrations of some stuff with the amp and everything, how it works. And for my Wawa pedal, this is more fun with Wawa pedals class. And but they have these like pouch liners. It was in one of my suitcases, and so it's perfect to keep the Wawa pedal in there, keep it from getting dusty and stuff. But we're going to be having some inclement weather possibly here in Central Texas. I know they are going to up north. So I figured I'd do a good song called Cold Rain and Snow. And yeah, that's should be a good one for y'all. But anyway, what I got going on here is there it is right there. But anyway, figured I'd take you on a little tour here. The amp is set up right now for the 1970s amp. This is usually what I play through this. Everything back out here. I did a version a little while ago. I didn't like it. So hopefully this one comes out a little better. And I don't take up too much of your time. Anyway, so I got it set up like that. Now the delay, you can take and go over here. You hold this little button down and you can program it. You can go, I can go real fast with it to where it's like, just like a reverb. Or I can slow it down and go. But what you want to try and do is aim for the tempo of the song, kind of pretty much. So. So you can get it to kick back. So I'm in the like 1970s amp. You can go clean it. I think this thing goes all the way back to the 40s. They've got like 8 or 9 different amps throughout the Vox series, all their years. And so this is pretty clean. This is 1970s. And I got the 80s or the 90s. Or just full on blow it out today's technology. So I just want to show you all that for a minute, and let's get on into the song here. Cold Rain and Snow. trouble all my life. Brought me All right, Fun with Wawa Pedals. It's called Rain and Snow by the Grateful Dead.